Good morning, everybody. Glad to see that everyone, the 4 viewers watching my videos every day, are still with me. So I saw a lady, late 40s, early 50s, when I went to Panera the other morning, and she was beautiful, beautiful face. She was dressed really nice, and this is what her hair looked like. So she didn't do anything. She got out of the shower and she thinks she's gonna look like Bohemian Rhapsody, okay? You're not 20 anymore. We don't live near the beach. You don't need to look like a hippie beach chick, especially when you're 40. Only when you're at the beach, okay? You wanna go to Hawaii and have your hair look all, or you might look cute. People might think it's okay, but while you're in your business suit ordering Panera, you should probably do something, a little something, all right? So, if it was me, okay, I would just, you could simply add a couple of curls to it. I'm gonna do it with my flat iron because I don't wanna get out squeaky leaky. But if you just added a little bit of something to let people know you give a fuck a little bit, you care just a little bit. You know, we're getting in our 40s, then we're gonna be in our 50s, then we're gonna be at the age where we need to be having our shampoo sets. It's all downhill from here. So if you get up in the morning and you put in a little bit of effort, and I was sad for her because she was really beautiful. But then I'm looking at her hair, and I'm a hair judger, and I'm like, girl, if you had only just did a little bit, even if just at the top of your hair, you add a couple of curls to the top, then it makes the bottom look not so terrible. The little middle part. Remember in junior high, we called it the butt part. Oh, your mom gave you the butt part. Yes, yes. I'm wearing the butt part. Let it be known. You saw it here. So you could still have a messy bohemian kind of look. You just have to do it and not look like a 18-year-old who just stepped out of her shower, because it's not the same when you're 40. She looks cute. You just look like a mess. Like all these women trying to get that platinum blonde silver hair. Please, ladies, we've been trying to keep away our silver hairs. Now all of a sudden everybody wants to go out and get it, and all you're gonna do is look like an old lady. So that's it. Just give yourself some curls. Even if you just did the messy half curl, you did a little bit of an every which way mix-up curl. Just something. Just all I'm asking is for just a little something that shows people I'm trying, okay? Even if you only got your squeaky curling iron out and got 5 curls in there. At least 5 curls kind of just says, hello, I'm trying. And just pull your fingers through it. And there you go. It looks a little better than I just woke up hair. It has a little bit of a nice little wave. Just looks like there's a couple of curls in there. You know, it doesn't have to be totally curly crazy, but at least it has a little bit of something, right? This little girl. And there we go. That's it. Easy, simple. Get up, do your hair. Please don't wake up and walk out the door with your bohemian sea salt hair. We live in the desert. We are in Las Vegas, okay? In no sea salt and humidity hair, you look a mess. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, share the video, get it out there. People need to be styling their hair. We all want to look good and feel good. And I want to tell people, dang girl, you look good. But sometimes I can't because you don't look good. Okay? I'm not going to lie. I'm not a liar. So have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow.